Today, we're tackling a question on the minds of many adventurers. Can you travel without a visa to St. Lucia? Yes. Can you travel to St. Lucia without a visa? Join me as we find out if you could travel to St. Lucia without a visa. If you ever found yourself in a sea lost of confusion concerning visa policies or unsure about rules for Caribbean travel, you're not alone. That's why we're here to break it all down for you in a simple, straightforward way. Grab your passports and let's dive into the world of St. Lucia's travel visa requirements. Okay? Now, why visa requirements matter? Before we get into specifics, let's talk about why understanding visa requirements is so important, right? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your visit, like an international visit or a trip, right? Knowing the rules can save you from unnecessary stress and also delays. Imagine this. You've booked your flight, packed your bags, and you're ready to soak up the sun on St. Lucia's stunning beaches. But when you've arrived at the airport, you're told you can't board the flight. But if you don't have the right documents, because you don't have the right documents, sorry about that, right? That doesn't sound fun. Yikes. That's a nightmare. That's a nightmare scenario we want to avoid at all costs when you're traveling. So let's make sure you're fully prepared. St. Lucia, like many Caribbean nations, has its own unique set of visa policies. And while some travelers can enter visa-free, others may have to apply in advance. The key to knowing which category you fall into and why that's exactly what and where to figure it out. Okay? Now, before we go any further, let's take a quick break. Thank our sponsors. This episode is brought to you by Island Vacation Travel Agency LLC, helping you make the most out of your travel experiences and helping us explore smarter business travel solutions. For more information on how to optimize your travel experiences, visit www.islandvacas.com. That is ISLANDVACAS.com. Now, back to our adventure. Now back to the visa talk. Yes, guys, that's a very deep conversation. Now, who could travel to St. Lucia visa free? Let's get to the heart of this matter. Who could travel to St. Lucia visa free? Let's see. Let's start with, if you're a citizen of the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or even most European countries, you're in luck. You're in luck. You're in luck. You could enter St. Lucia visa free for a stay of up to 6 weeks. Very long time, a month and a half. That's right. No visa is required for that. But, and that's a big but, you still need to meet a few requirements. And I think it's pretty standard for other countries as well. A valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry. Right? That only makes sense. Proof of onward travel. You'll need to show a return ticket or proof of onward travel to another destination. Number 3, proof of accommodation. Have a hotel reservation or a letter from your host ready just in case. And meaning like your host, if someone invited you to the country, Yes, that's your host right there, right? Now, what if you're not from any of those countries? Good question. Don't worry, we got you covered. St. Lucia offers visas on arrival for citizens of certain countries, and for others, you'll need to apply for a visa in advance. We'll get into that in just a moment. Okay, we're just gonna take a quick break and we'll be right back with more visit details. But first, just a quick word from our sponsors. Hey, what's up, friends? Let me introduce you to my latest travel must have, Shimmerwood CBD seltzers. These aren't just any seltzers, they're combined full spectrum CBD with natural fruit shrubs from bold, refreshing flavors like razzle lime, chai cherry, and ginger orange. Whether I'm unwinding after a long day of exploring or just taking a moment to chill, these drinks are a perfect companion. They're free of added sugar, caffeine, or artificial flavors, which is what I absolutely love. So they're a clean and healthy, conscious alternative to sugar, sodas, or alcohol, which I absolutely do not like. Plus, I've got an exclusive deal for you guys. Head over to shimmerwood.com. That's SHIMMERWOOD.com and use my promotional code Island Vacation. That's ISLAND for a 30% discount. That's right. We earn commission when you use our promotional code, but trust me, your taste buds and stress levels will thank you. Trust us on it. You have a good one, guys. Enjoy. Are you ready for the ultimate sleep luxury? Cozy Earth's bamboo sheets and pajamas are here to transform your rest. Made from 100% premium viscose from bamboo, these sheets are soft, breathable, and offer cooling comfort. Perfect for those warm nights. Plus, the oversized fit and silky feel only improve after each wash. Cozy Eve's pajamas combine cozy elegance with them perfect for relaxing at home. With Oprah's favorite thing stamped of approval and rave reviews from customers, Cozy Earth is the go-to brand for luxury bedding. As a listener of Island Vacation Travel Podcast, you could save 41% on your entire order using my exclusive promo code Island Vacation. That is Island Vacation, one word. Cozy offers free shipping on orders over $50 and a 100-night sleep trial. Wow! Visit www.cozyearth.com today for your best sleep of your life and use our code Island Vacation. If you are a fan of iconic music or sports gear, Old Glory is the place to be. Since 1969, this family owned superstore has offered over 300,000 items of official licensed merchandise. From classic tees featuring legendary bands like Metallica and the Grateful Dead to official gear from your favorite sports team, Old Glory has everything you need to represent your fandom in style. Plus, as a listener of Island Vacation Travel Podcast, you get an exclusive 15% off anything you purchase. Can you believe that, guys? Whether you're looking for a graphic tee, a hoodie, or a quirky gift, you can grab it all and save with our promo code Island Vacation. That is one word, Island Vacation. Visit oldglory.com. Use the code, like I said, Island Vacation, and start showing off your love for music, sports, and also pop culture today. Let them know we sent you at Island Vacation Travel Podcast. We also earn commission when you use our promotional code, so it's a win-win. Golfers, have you ever wished your shoes worked as hard as you do on and off the course? Say hello to Scony Spikeless Golf Shoes, the game changer in golf footwear. Designed with cutting-edge comfort and versatility, style, and swag, Scony shoes take you from a round of golf straight to your next island adventure. No spikes, no limits, just lightweight all-day comfort and performance. Ready to upgrade your golf game? Just visit sconygolf.com. That is SKONIGOLF.com and use our promo code Island Vacation. That is one word, Island Vacation, for an exclusive 15% discount just for our listeners. Scony, where style meets the green and beyond. Scone is also spikeless shoes, the ultimate blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Don't forget to let them know we sent you and we receive commission for that, guys. Hey, friends, I have to tell you about this new travel obsession. Eric Javid's sun hats. These aren't just hats, they're actually iconic. Imagine stepping off the plane and looking effortlessly chic, no matter how long you've traveled. The secret? The innovative squishy material. It's packable, durable, and springs back to shape after being in your luggage. Plus, they offer UPF 50 plus protection, so you're stylish and also safe. Honestly, these are a game changer for the travel days, the beach days, the yacht days, and the golf days as well. Oh, we scored an exclusive deal just for you. Use our code Island Vacation, that's ISLAND VACATION, that's all in one word, at ericjavits.com for your sweet discount. Just a heads up, we earn a commission when you use our code, so it's a win-win situation. Check it out.